In today's video, we're taking a trip into the future of GTA 6, a highly anticipated launch that could create a new wave of millionaires. Yes, you heard that right. This game has the potential to completely change the lives of those who are ready to seize this one-of-a-kind opportunity. And if you want to be one of the next to cash in big on this revolution, stick with me until the end, because what I'm about to share could completely change your future as a content creator. The Grand Theft Auto franchise has become one of the most iconic and successful in the video game industry, with decades of history and a community of millions of players around the world. Since its first release, the series has built a loyal fan base, crossing generations and consistently setting new standards for open-world games. With every new title, Rockstar Games has managed to raise expectations and deliver unique experiences that combine freedom of exploration, engaging storytelling, and innovative gameplay. Now, with GTA 6, expectations have reached an all-time high. The excitement around the game isn't limited to longtime fans, it's also attracting new players and content creators eager to capitalize on this golden opportunity. This creates a massive and immediate demand for content related to the game, including gameplay videos, tutorials, live streams, reviews, and in-depth guides. In addition, the GTA community has always been extremely engaged and active. Since the days of GTA 5, millions of videos about the game have dominated platforms like YouTube and Twitch, featuring everything from simple mission playthroughs to complex cinematic series. With GTA 6 promising groundbreaking innovations and richer gameplay, the demand for content is expected to skyrocket. Content creators who start early will have a unique chance to build successful channels, grow a large audience, and potentially become millionaires by taking advantage of various monetization opportunities such as ads, partnerships, and sponsorships. GTA 6 won't just be another successful game, it will be a cultural phenomenon, capable of mobilizing millions of people and creating its own economy within the content creation world. Those who can tap into this demand will be able to build profitable channels and turn their passion into a real money-making machine. If you dream of making money with GTA 6 videos or even becoming a millionaire, now is the perfect time to start getting ready. Diverse monetization opportunities. With the huge interest and demand for GTA 6 content, creators will have many ways to turn their work into a significant source of income. The guaranteed popularity of the game opens up countless monetization opportunities, allowing channels and profiles to become highly profitable. Below are some of the main ways to make money with GTA 6 content. YouTube ads. GTA 6 videos are expected to attract large audiences, leading to high engagement and good viewer retention, which boosts ad revenue on YouTube. The longer people watch and the larger the audience, the higher the income from ads. Creators can earn a lot by producing content such as tutorials, missions, creative challenges, and detailed reviews, taking advantage of the community's ongoing interest. Additionally, high-quality videos have the potential to go viral, increasing revenue through massive views. Sponsorships and partnerships. As channels grow, brands in technology, gaming accessories, and digital products will want to work with creators who reach a passionate gaming audience. These partnerships can include paid campaigns, product reviews, and service promotions, offering an extra source of income. Successful channels can secure recurring deals, providing a stable and predictable income over time. Live streaming. Live streaming GTA 6 on platforms like YouTube, Twitch, or others is a great way to earn money directly. During live streams, creators can earn through viewer donations, subscriptions, and bits on Twitch. Live streams also help build a stronger connection with the audience, encouraging more supporters to contribute financially. Creators who stand out with live content have great potential to earn not only through direct monetization, but also by attracting new sponsorships. Digital products and merchandise. Another powerful way to monetize is by selling digital and physical products. Creators can offer t-shirts, hats, mugs, and other items customized with their channel brand or GTA 6 theme designs. There's also the opportunity to sell exclusive digital content, such as custom mods, advanced guides, optimized graphic packs, or even custom maps for the community. These products not only generate revenue but also help strengthen the channel's identity, building a more loyal fan base. Affiliate programs. Affiliate programs are another important source of income. Creators can recommend games, gaming peripherals, computers, and consoles, earning a commission on each sale made through their affiliate links. Platforms like Amazon and tech companies offer great affiliate programs that can boost overall earnings. With these diverse monetization options, GTA 6 offers an incredible opportunity for anyone who wants to make money creating content. Whether through ads, sponsorships, product sales, or live streams, creators who know how to take advantage of these opportunities can turn their channels into highly profitable businesses. If you want to stand out and even become a millionaire creating GTA 6 content, now is the perfect time to start. Creative gameplay. The vast open world of GTA 6 offers endless possibilities for creating unique and engaging content, giving creators the chance to keep their audience entertained for a long time. With highly detailed environments, dynamic systems, and innovative mechanics, the game allows for creative ideas that go beyond traditional gameplay. Here are some ways to make the most of its creative potential. Fun moments and challenges. The freedom of GTA 6's open world lets creators come up with fun and unexpected situations that always grab attention. You can stand out by creating. Interacting with NPCs. Set up funny, bizarre, or chaotic moments involving non-playable characters. Unpredictable events. Spark crazy police chases, create chain explosions, or pull off jaw-dropping stunts in different areas of the map. Extreme challenges. Challenge yourself or other players to do something crazy, like crossing the entire city using only a specific vehicle or causing as much chaos as possible within a time limit. Unique missions. GTA 6 will likely have a wide variety of main and side missions, and creators can use their creativity to make these missions more exciting. Funny approach. Add humorous commentary during missions to make light and entertaining videos for a broad audience. Challenging content. Increase the difficulty of regular missions by completing them without weapons, without taking damage, or within a specific time frame. Custom storytelling. Reimagine missions with your own storylines or create a series that follows your progress through the game. Custom challenges. One of the best ways to engage viewers is by creating fun challenges that encourage community participation. With the game's creative tools, you can produce unique content such as custom races. Build crazy tracks using the map editor and challenge other players to compete. Extreme survival. Challenge the community to survive in specific areas of the map with limited resources or special rules. Mission restrictions. Propose challenges where players must complete missions using only specific weapons, unusual vehicles, or without harming enemies. This type of content not only keeps your channel active and interesting, but also encourages direct interaction with viewers, building a loyal audience. GTA 6 will be a goldmine for creators who know how to explore its endless possibilities in creative and exciting ways. If you want to turn your channel into a hit and start making serious money, this kind of creative gameplay might be your key to success. GTA 6 presents a unique opportunity for content creators who want to turn their passion for gaming into a real source of income. With global anticipation surrounding the game's release, it won't just be a bestseller, it will also be a massive hit on major video and streaming platforms. Those who take advantage of this moment will have a golden opportunity to grow quickly, build a loyal audience, and generate significant revenue from their content. The key to success is to carefully plan your strategy. Be creative. Create content that stands out, like unique challenges, funny gameplay, and detailed tutorials. Stay consistent. Post regularly to keep your audience engaged and attract new followers. Diversify your income streams. Combine different monetization methods, such as ads, sponsorships, live streams, merchandise, and affiliate programs. Engage with your community. An engaged audience is the foundation of any successful channel. Encourage comments, suggestions, and feedback to strengthen your connection with your viewers. If you start preparing now and are ready to produce content as soon as the game launches, you could be among the first to ride the wave of global interest. With dedication, creativity, and smart monetization strategies, GTA 6 could be the game that changes your life and maybe even makes you the next millionaire in the gaming world. The future looks bright, and GTA 6 is about to open incredible doors for those who are ready. Now it's your turn to dive into this universe, start creating, and of course make money doing what you love. If you found this video helpful and exciting, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts and ideas on how you're planning to take advantage of GTA 6. Now that you know exactly what to do, it's time to create your channel and seize this incredible opportunity to get rich with GTA 6. The game is about to change everything, and you could be the next big creator to profit from it. Don't wait, start today.